Hi guys! Today we're making slime! As Eli said, and welcome to Ruby Jane, and today we will be making slime. And what you will need for this project is a mixing bowl. You will need a tablespoon and a teaspoon. You will need a measuring cup, unless it's already a 4-ounce. It's sugar! Eli, that is not sugar soda. And I got this big tub, well not tub, but a lot of glue, and it is 16 ounce, but we will only need 4 ounces of it, so I have that measurement. And then you will need some contact solution and baking soda. And if you want yours to be colored, you can add some color, but today we will be doing green because that's his favorite color. Okay, so the first thing that we will do, we'll put everything down so we can have like our own little spot. Put everything down. Here, okay. Now we're going to put in our glue first. We're going to put 4 ounces. Let me find 4 ounces. Okay, there's 4 ounces. We're going to put it all in. Well, not all of it. All the way to 4 ounces. Let me make sure it's... Okay, so that's enough. Sorry guys for that. There's like a little thing popping up. Sorry guys. Eli, don't touch it. Sorry guys. Okay. Sorry about that. That was just like a little pop up. Okay, now we're gonna pour this out. Sorry guys. See the light. I'm gonna pour this into here. Make sure it's all the way. Even if it isn't, that's okay. Try to get the best. We'll get it whenever. Maybe. No, glue! Okay. Next time, make sure that you cover your surface. Because you don't want to get it ruined. Okay. Now what we will be doing is we'll need a heaping teaspoon. Heaping teaspoon of baking soda. So let's move this to the ground. It's really hard, guys, okay? Sticking your hand through here. Make sure you don't try to get as many clumps. Trying to get a heaping. And even if you do get too many clumps, that's okay, you can mix them. But you don't want it too heaping, just get it like that. Then dump it in. And then we're going to get 2 tablespoons of contact solution. We're going to do this over here. Hold on. Don't need that. 1. 2. Okay, now we're going to start mixing, Eli. Now we're going to put 1 drop of green because one time when you put like 4 drops, it was like really, really drying my hands. So, 1 drop. Okay, so now we're going to mix it. It's not going to take too long. And now let me see that one, Eli, so I can do it really fast. Okay, guys. Now I'm gonna take it out of the bowl and mix with my hands, guys. And if it gets too sticky, we're gonna add more contact solution. Contact solution makes it as not sticky. Here, can you move that spoon, Eli? Yeah, so I can get down to this. Okay, thank you. Okay, oh. Open this. Sorry, guys. Okay. There we go. Okay. Okay. We're going to add some contact solution because it is super sticky. When you feel it sticky. Yeah. Okay, guys. So we're going to mix it all together. Like, really good. Yeah. You guys, down. No, let's sit down. Okay, we're gonna keep on mixing. This is very hard, guys. It's like really weird. Okay, Eli, you wanna feel? Guys, did you all just see that? It squirted out contact solution. Okay, guys, that is okay. I wouldn't say this was a fail, but I wouldn't say that this was the best. Okay, so yeah, this wasn't the best, but it wasn't also the worst. So yeah, this is bad kind of. Let me show you all the ones that dyed our hands. Eli, play with this for a little bit. So I can show them the blue one. I'm gonna get it down. Right here. Okay, guys. See, this dyes my hands because I put too much color in it. See? This is one fun. And I'm trying to get it because it dyes my hands if you play with it a lot. See? Blue. Maybe y'all cannot see it very well, but yeah. And his hands are very clean. So now let's show them again. Okay. It's very green, but y'all can't see it, but it's very, very green. And you have it. Okay. I have to get something off my side, okay? Wait, no, it's not on my bed. Hold on, guys. I have to get something out of my desk. Go. Watch Eli play with this slime. It's on my desk. Hopefully it is. Hold on, guys. I will be right back. It's up here, I think. It's up on my wall. Hey. I don't know, guys. Sorry. Yeah, it's on my wall bed. Where did it go? Oh, I think I know. Oh, here it is. Guys, I found it. Okay. Okay, so we are going to be opening a surprise thingy, whatever it's called. Going back, we're going to open this. It's a Monster High Super Squishy. If I can find the opening. Here we go. Ew. It's super delicious. Here we go. Okay. Okay. So I'm gonna pop it open. And we got Frankie, I think her name is, because I never watched it. Yeah, I think it might be Frankie. Eli, did you just put that in your mouth? Yeah, guys, he just put that in his mouth. Don't do what he just did. He puts a lot. So, we got Frankie, I think. Ugh, keep on going the wrong way. Sorry, guys, hold on. I'm not used to this. Okay. So there's Frankie. She has a really dark green dress on and some black stripes in her hair and the white. And then her skin is gray. So that's Frankie. She is not as stretchy as, squishy as they say. But it's okay. I have it. Okay. Thank you guys for watching. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Bye! Bye! Sorry guys.